girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Fragrance, and you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not ran mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Black drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my
Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be out invisible. Gotta use your mind. We can be cops and robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same. To please.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNice hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing water wave unit. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you guys know that water wave is one of my personal favorite textures. I love water wave and loose wave textures the most, and this is a gorgeous water wave unit. It was beautiful literally right out of the box. It took very minimal styling and it was really quick and easy to install, which I can definitely appreciate. You can install this unit with or without the baby hairs, and this also can be worn as a glueless unit. But for me, because my head is a little bit smaller, I feel like I needed to use a little bit of product just to help that lace lay down flat, because even though the unit was on and pretty snug, it didn't lay flat enough for me around the perimeter. So that's why I did go ahead and use the Got to Be Glued to adhere this unit. But if you have like a normal head size or a bigger head size, you won't have to do that. Not only does it have the adjustable elastic band at the top, but it also has the adjustable straps in the back, and it also has like this strip that's like a non-slip grip. It's like in the very back, and it has a really long comb as well. So it's all the security that you're going to need for a unit, and I can really appreciate that, because a lot of glueless units that I've been receiving these days, they don't put the strap in the back. They'll give you the elastic band that you can have at the top, but they don't put that strap, and some of them don't even put the comb in the back. Construction of this unit is just perfect, and it's definitely a one size fits all type of ordeal. Whether you have a smaller head size like myself or a larger head, you will be able to rock this unit. The other thing that I like about this unit is that it is a closure unit. This is not your typical 4x4 closure unit either. This one has a ton of space, which you can actually get your money's worth when you have a unit like this, because it almost acts like a lace front, even though it is a closure. You know, you definitely get a lot of space. As you guys can see, you get all of this in the front, you know, and if you wanted to, you can definitely add braids to this. You can do a half up, half down. You can do a side part with this. The options are really endless with the unit like this. A very deep part, as you guys can see as well. I was loving that. You guys know me, I love a good middle part. Like, I'm definitely a middle part kind of girl. I know there's girls that prefer like side parts, but I've always been a middle part kind of girl. It's just the best thing for me. The other thing that I love about it, even though it was styled literally right out of the box, it doesn't have any weird smells to it. Because sometimes when I get units out of the box, they have some kind of smell. Some of them even smell like fish, which I'm not really sure why that is. But this unit does not have any smells. And mind you, this is without putting any product on the unit. I don't have anything on this hair at all but water, and I just let it air dry. So I love the fact that the curl pattern is gorgeous, and units like this definitely save me a lot of money, because I don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. I don't have to worry about plucking it. I don't have to worry about like trying to fix the part, because I know you guys remember before I used to use like that root corrector pen to like fix my part, because sometimes I would over bleach it and things like that. But you don't have to worry about making any mistakes when bleaching or anything like that. Like, they just make these units so like beginner friendly and just very quick and easy to put on. And not only that, they're saving me personally, like somebody that does this all the time, they're saving me so much money on bleach. I don't even remember the last time that I had to buy bleach and developer and do all of that. Like, I don't have to do any of that now. I remember I used to spend so much time like sitting there plucking all of the units. Like, I would get like a bunch of units all at once and just like pluck them all, and then my hands would hurt after a while. I get tired, like, you know what I mean? And just like also working with those chemicals like often is not really the best thing to do. And a lot of people don't know that they need to like have windows open when they're doing that they need to wear gloves, because you don't want to get that bleach on your skin. You know, there's just like a lot of precautions when it comes to like working with like chemicals. So I love the fact that you don't have to worry about that. Like, they do everything for you. And I just did something very simple today. I just added a little, you know, baby hairs to it. Nothing too crazy. I like doing like different baby hairs on each side. I don't like to have it like exactly the same, or do like those like basic like curtain baby hairs, you know, the two little swoops that go right here. I just did mine a little bit different. So I did like a swoop that goes this way and then one that goes like that. So yeah, I didn't want to do two of these because I just feel like that might look a little weird. So here we are, but look how deep that parting space is. And I did put some concealer in my part. You don't have to do that, but that is something that I did decide to do. And I feel like it just helps it stand out a little bit more, but it's definitely optional. But yeah, you guys, I love this unit. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been working with UNice for years. You guys know I even modeled for them. I want to say like a year or two ago, I modeled for them. And I worked with them like a couple of times, like at their, you know, office here in LA. And I really like their unit. Like this one is really, really pretty. Absolutely love it. And this is a 24-inch, I want to say. It's pretty long. I'll stand up for you guys, see where it hits me, so you guys can clearly see where my belly button is. But yeah, so it's pretty long. Love that. This is another, I got a piece of lace in there. But yeah, this is like another up close look at the curls. Like the curls are just so pretty. Like they definitely did their thing with this. Like this is just really, really gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Definitely one of my new like favorite units, and I feel myself like wearing this, like replacing my other unit, because my other unit, I've had it for like so long, you guys, like, and I wear it all the time. So I like this one, and the curls are really soft, and I love that about it. It's not like hard at all. And something like this, I will say it's definitely going to be on the lower maintenance side for curly hair, because sometimes curly hair, like depending if the hair is like a really tight curl, like the Jerry curly texture, that one is usually more high maintenance. Like you have to be on top of the maintenance for that. But something like this, you won't have to worry about it like getting like tangled up and matted up on you as much as some of like the super curly ones. Those are the ones that'll give you a little bit of a hard time. So I like the fact that this one is more of a loose type of, you know, it's a water wave pattern, so it's not so tight of a curl. It's really, really pretty. And like I said, on the lower maintenance. And make sure anytime that you are working with your unit and you want to detangle the hair, make sure you always do it when the hair is like soaking wet with like conditioner on it, and then always start from the very ends of the hair and then work your way up. You never want to detangle your hair while it's dry. So never use a paddle brush on dry hair, because it causes snapping, which will cause shedding, which will cause tangling, and you just don't want to have that whole ordeal. So definitely do it while it's wet. That's just like my little pro tip for you guys when you're working with curly hair. And like I said, this doesn't have any product on it. I didn't have to use a diffuser or anything like that, and I just absolutely love it. UNice, I never get a unit from them that I don't like. So shout out to UNice for sponsoring this video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. If you're interested in checking this unit out, if you're interested in trying this unit out for yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details of this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.